Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT in Trust Wallet for 2025. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest crypto tips. Trust Wallet is one of the most user-friendly apps for managing your cryptocurrencies and transferring USDT. That's Tether, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, is straightforward once you know the steps. We'll walk through this step by step, so you can do it confidently in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone. If not, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in, open the app and unlock your wallet using your PIN, Face ID, or whatever security method you set up. Now, locate USDT in your wallet. It might be under the Tokens section or directly on your dashboard. Just tap on it to select. Next, hit the Send button. You'll see a screen where you need to enter the recipient's address. This is crucial, so double-check it to avoid any mistakes. You can paste the address from your clipboard or scan a QR code if available. Then, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on that. For 2025, we're dealing with faster networks like BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum, which could affect your costs. After that, review the transaction details. Make sure everything looks correct, including the amount, address, and fees. If you're good to go, tap Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features. You'll get a confirmation once it's processed. This usually takes a few seconds to a minute, depending on the network congestion. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred USDT in Trust Wallet. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and double-check addresses. If you run into any issues, check the Trust Wallet support page or community forums. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. What's your next crypto move? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.